Hi guys, this is another video of how to. Today I'm going to tell you how to keep yourself entertained on the internet. So I've got just 5 tips, but I really enjoy them. I think you should try them, all of them out. I will put all the links for them in the description box. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, I love playing this game called Cool Maths Games. Now Cool Maths Games, it's got some math stuff in it, but then that part of it's got like literally no maths at all. It's like Moto X3M. It's this motorbike game. Now, I highly recommend this game. It's a personal favourite of mine. Really fun, like extremely fun. I play it all the time. I play it with my friends on play dates and stuff. It's really fun. So do give that a try. 2, Slither.io. Some of you might have heard of it, some have not. The aim of the game is to be the one with the highest amount of body length. So you start off with 10 dots. And you've got to build your way up, eating dots on the floor of the game, and then also killing other snakes by, if their head touches your body, then they're dead, and they give you extra balls of life or length. So do check that one out. I've got a third game now, Roblox. I'm sure lots of you have heard of it. You can play it online or in the app, but definitely check that out. If you don't have an account, you can log in. It'll say actually sign up or log in. Sign up, you can make a username and a password, then you're in, and you can make friends, and it's really good, and follow people. And there's about billions of games made by other people, maybe 1 or 2 by Roblox, but alright, so that's one game. Definitely check that out. That's probably my favourite. Next is Kahoot. Some of you might have heard of it. It's actually quite fun. So it's this quiz. You can search up quiz or make a quiz. You've got to have an account with your email, and basically you do it by, you need 2 devices. So you need one. If you're a player, you need 1 device. If you're you just need 1 device. If you're the quiz master person, then you set up a quiz, and then other people go to kahoot.it and they type in your game password, which will pop up on the screen. Alright, next, Chrome Music Lab. I love Chrome Music Lab. It's free for everyone who's got the internet. I'm sure you've all got it. Well, you can make songs with different tunes, and sometimes rhythms with different beats made by animals going with drums and stuff. So definitely do check that out. You can do different tones. So that brings us to the end of the video. There'll be another one coming out tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe below, and have a nice day. See ya.